The construction and design of this retaining wall for this garden landscape. It's going to be a whole series of instructional videos on how we put this whole thing together. The excavation, creating the terraced hillside, building the foundations, building this hollow block wall with reinforced concrete and steel, this natural stone wall over here, a ramped pathway. This is so you can get access to this lower backyard. We wanted to use this yellow brick because it matches the house that you can see in the background. So we've used it on the top of the walls, and we've used it to sort of create a border for this gravel ramp platform access point that goes around the corner of our wall. So you can get wheelbarrows and lawnmowers up and down from this height down to this height. So we've got a natural stone wall over here, so it would make sense with all the levels we're creating with this wall. I'll try and include all the steps and procedures necessary to bring this kind of project about.